Swara, our Pongal and Shankranti sale is in full swing. Hope you all had a chance to check the products on our website. I personally wanted to showcase on my neck and tell you the details in the jewelry. Starting up with the one I am wearing. Look at the beauty of this Gutupusulu. This time we have created a new special design, and this is with beautiful Nahas motifs in the chain part. This time we have brought a completely different design in the Gutupusulu. So this haram has got beautiful Annapakshi inspired Nahas motifs in the sides and a beautiful Annapakshi pendant. This is embellished with pearls and gem stones. This Devakantari Gutupusulu is designed beautifully in an oxidized finish in 24 inches length. So this is priced at 19,800 and after discount this is only 9,900. Next piece is this beautiful Alakari Attikai necklace. This has got a beautiful Kemp Rakadai pendant in the center embellished with Konguru balls, and at the sides we have got two floral motifs beautifully spacing on either side. So you can pair this up with beautiful earrings or jhumkas in our collection, or you can also pair it up with your own earrings. This is priced at 6,800 and after discount this is only 3,400. We always design to cater the needs of all our customers. Many of you have been asking to bring in a beautiful mango necklace in white zircon stones. So we have got a beautiful Hamsapriya mango necklace. This has got a beautiful center motif embedded with zircon stones, and at either side of the necklace you can see mangoes equally spaced beautifully. Price of this necklace is 5,800 and after 50% discount this is only 2,900. We have got a beautiful pair of mango earrings which you can pair it with this necklace or wear it separately with other jewelry as well. This is the beautiful mango earring which you can pair up with this necklace. This is priced at 1,800 and after discount this is only 900. Next piece is this beautiful, elegant and royal Ambalika antique necklace. We have designed this piece with a beautiful bold green onyx stone in the center, and look at the hangings. It's a beautiful Kemp stone embellished hangings with Gutupusulu filling the necklace. On either side of the green stone we have got antique mangoes and it is connected with a flat Kodi chain. You can club this up with any of your antique earrings or diamond studs to complete the look. 8,600 and after 50% discount this is only 4,300. Next product is a very beautiful and sparkly haram, Latangi Zircon haram. Look at the beauty of this piece. This has got multiple stones at the sides and it is encrusted with zircon stones around, and it has got an ethnic and beautiful pendant with danglers underneath. You can pair this up with any simple earrings or jhumkas to cater your taste. This is priced at 19,200 and after discount this is only 9,600. This time we have also brought in a beautiful accessory, Arabi finger ring. This is an adjustable finger ring like the one I am wearing, and this has got a beautiful floral motif studded with gemstones. The price of this ring is 2,300 and after discount this is only 1,150. You had never missed to bring in a bangle in sale every time. This time, this is a very beautiful zircon stone studded bangle like the one I am wearing. This Chayavati bangle has got zircon stones studded in a single line, and there are beautiful flower motifs in between. You can buy this as a pair or buy as a single as well. This is priced at 6,800 as a pair and after discount it is only 3,400. Next piece is a beautiful Mogapu chain, Chandrakanti Mogapu chain. This is the most favorite product of many of our customers. Look at the beauty of this chain. This has got a chakra type floral Mogapu in the center, and on either side at the top and the bottom there are square Kemp stones. So this is connected with a flat, flexible Kodi chain at 24 inches length where you can flaunt it on any occasion. This is priced at 4,200 and after discount this is only 2,100. The last and the most beautiful piece is the Shivangi minimal necklace. This has got a simple Kodi with an adjustable back chain at the back and embellished with Kemp Gundu and an oval stone at the top. You can pair this up with matching earrings we have brought in. This has again got a oval stone at the top and gold gundu embellished with kem stones at the bottom. This comes with south stone. So the price of this necklace is 2,400 and after 50% discount this is only 1,200. And the price of this earrings is 2,200 and after discount this is only for 1,100. We have brought in all these collections especially to cater your taste. I believe you all will love this collection. To shop all these lovely collections, you can check our website or drop in directly to our stores at Coimbatore. In our website, go to the Swara Pongal and Sankranti offer and click the banner to check all the lovely collections. Apart from that, we have got 15% offer on all our jewelry collections site-wide and store-wide. We have got 10% discount on our saree line, Almira. You can check out all our collections in Almira banner. So the offer is valid up till 25th of January. We will look forward. Happy shopping. Namaskar.